Hi everybody, Uncle Bart here for College Cuisine. Today, to go along with my new hat for my little brother Bernard, we're having a change of pace episode. We're going to make cookies. Not just any cookie, chocolate chip oatmeal cookies. My absolute favorite. Here's all the mise en place. In fact, let me repoint the camera just a little bit. You saw my hat. That's enough. There we go. And here's our ingredients. Oatmeal, brown sugar. I already put the vanilla extract in the sugar. 2.5 cups of flour, 2 sticks of butter, 2 eggs, and the aforementioned chocolate chips, and baking powder and salt in the same little ramekin here. So let's get started. Always cream the butter and sugar first until it's nice and fluffy. So let's get this. Oh yeah, you can see you can't see inside. I'll see what I can do about that. Ooh. There we go. No, we don't. Oy vey. Alright, get the big spoon. There we go. I just need a little, shall we say, convincing. I'm Sicilian. It's my job. Alrighty. Now we put in the sugar, which should empty out even quicker. Yes, it did, because it learned its lesson from the butter. There we go there. Bring this down. And now, so you can see that a little bit. Lock it. Start it on stir. Don't bring it up to full force, because that sugar's going to go flying. See? A little piece came out. That's a stir. Back in there, little dude. Next to go in are the eggs. And whenever you're using more than one egg, always do it one at a time, just in case it's a bad egg. That's a good one. And it goes. And the second one. There she goes. This goes down there. And let this continue to beat until it's nice and fluffy. Stop there for a second. And just brush down the sides. There we go. Voila. Bring this down to low, and alternately add the baking powder and sugar, salt. Put in there. There we go. Slowly into the mix. Make sure it's on stir. You know, it's been a million years since I've made homemade cookies. In fact, I think it was at Carousel Days, 22 years now. I made cookies for my nephews, one of their classes. Now we pour in the chocolate chips, the oatmeal first. Do as I say, not as I do, because I'm an idiot. And now, they shook around the chips. Here we go. Voila. Now we'll let all this get out of the way. Because really the fun part is putting it on the cookie sheet and letting them bake. Oh, yes, by the way, I should have told you this before. Turn your oven on to 350, preheat the oven. Go. Let's stop this for a second. Oh, don't that look good? There we go. Man, this is gonna make a lot of freaking cookies. Damn. The last time I made something with cookies, a couple of summers ago, when we had some help here, I would make a dessert, but that was with store-bought cookie dough. Yes, I bought store-bought cookie dough. It's not a sin. Don't worry about it. It's cookie dough, for crying out loud. Now give it one more quick blast, and it's done. There we go. Now, if I had one of my boys here, I'd be saying, who wants to lick the beater bar there? And trust me, they would fight for it. There we go. There it is. Oatmeal chocolate chip cookie dough. Yummy. Now let's get ready to bake it. As you know, I am a great proponent of something called a disher. We can put this in the sink. I'll take care of that beater bar later. And yes, I am of the school where it's better to get a good measure with a disher. This is my number 2, I believe. I have the small one here for small cookies. I'm going to do this cookie. And then, so what we're going to do is compress that cookie dough right in there, see? And voila. And you should have the same size cookies every time. We're going to make this 9 cookies per sheet. Now luckily I have some more sheets, so I'm going to get another sheet out. So this will give me a chance to do a lap dissolve, which you know I love doing so much. And I'll get another cookie pan and another piece of parchment paper. Be right back. Alrighty, here we go. This goes back over here. And one more round of cookies. There you go. 1, 2, 3. Now, in full disclosure, I was going to make that giant cookie to make a giant ice cream cookie pop. Somebody can't find his cheesecake pan, the spring form, because I'm rather careless. It will be found, and I will redo this recipe again in future. The rest of it, ooh, took a toll on that little bugger. I'll fix it. We're going to have to take a cut in the action now to get this into the oven, and then I'll continue it when it's done. So there it is. Chocolate chip oatmeal cookies. Eat more and enjoy, and I'll be back to you in just a little bit. Well, let me wait on that. Let's hold on to the sign up just yet. All right, I'll be back in a little bit. All right, we're back, and here we go. I just took these out of the oven, so they're not going to be touched for about 20 minutes. There we go. Look at that. The first college cuisine cookie show, or baking, whatever. Eat more and enjoy, and see you next time. Bye-bye. I hope you like the new hat. Oh, yeah. My just keep telling me to tell you this. Like and share. I prefer Sonny and share, but they say like and share. Whatever. Ciao.
There's not enough light.